So we talked about 5S for workplace organization. On this slide, let's look at the benefits of that. The benefits of 5S would be space utilization, because now your place is clean, neat, you only have things which are required to be there, so you can use your space efficiently. You increase the productivity, because now you know where things are. You don't need to search around and find out the tools which you need. Clean space increases the morale of people working there. You have better commitment to work, quality improves, the work environment improves, safety improves, because there are no safety hazards now, because everything is neat and clean. So all these are benefits of implementing 5S on your work process. And what happens with these is this reduces waste. So this was one tool which can help you in improving your workspace and reducing waste. With this, now let's move on to the second tool. Let's see that on the next video.